Hello friend, in this lecture we will study diagrams. First, the covering relation. Let P be an order set and xy belongs to P. Let P be an order set and xy belongs to P. We write x covered by y, x read as covered by y or y covers x. If x related to y and x related to z related to y, then x must be equal to z. That means here there is no element z of P such that x less than z less than y, like this. This is covering relation, the symbol for covering relation, and read as x covered by y or y covers x, y covers x. Here for example, in set of natural numbers with usual order, m covers n if n is equal to m plus 1. M covers by n, or read as n covers m if n is equal to m plus 1. That means here 1 is covered by 2, 2 is covered by 3, like this, and so on, like. In n set of natural number, there is no element between 1 and 2. There is no element between 1 and 2, also no element between 2 and 3. This is covering relation. In R set of real numbers, there is no pair such that x is covered by 1. X is covered by. In set of real numbers, if x is a real number, y is a real number, then again in x and y, in between x and y, there is also real number. There is again real number. That means there is no real number, no pair xy that x covered by y in R. Now third, here, if you take power set, in power set, operation is relation is subset, inclusive relation. Here A is covered by B if B is equal to A union B, small b, where B belongs to, that means X minus A. X minus A. That means B belongs to X minus A. X plus A means X minus A. One element in B, additional one element only, and covering relation like this. Now, using this covering relation, we can draw diagram. Here, let P be a finite order set. Let P be a finite order set. Say the elements of P can be represented by configuration of circles by and interconnecting line the construction as follows. The construction as follows. First, to each point X belongs to P, to each point X belongs to P, associate a point P of X of the Euclidean pair depicted by a small circle with the center at P of X. Second, for each covering relation, this X covered by Y. Take a line segment L of xy joining at the circle P of x to the circle at P of y. Third, using this, carry out 1, 2 or in such a way that eight. If x covered by y, then P of x is lower than P of y. P of x is lower than P of y. And B, the circle at P of z does not intersect L of xy. If z is not equal to x and z or z is not equal to y. That means if x is covered by y, then there is no element in between or on the line joining by xy, x and y. And if these three configurations satisfied, then this diagram is called Hasse diagram or only diagram. The configuration one to three satisfied is called Hasse diagram or Poset diagram. In such a diagram, that means this condition satisfied in the diagram, then this diagram is called Hasse diagram or Poset diagram. Here, for example, if P is equal to A, B, C, D, okay, here A is related to C, A is related to D, B is related to C, B is related to D. Then write down only A. Here A is related to C, okay, C. Again A is related to D, okay. Now here B is related to C and B is related to D. Or this diagram can be written, draw like this: A, B, C, D. A is related to C, A is related to D, here B is related to C, B is related both diagrams are same. Both diagrams are same. If you take suppose here A is related to C, A is related to C, A is related to D. Okay. B is related to D, and here joining C and D. Here, which condition not satisfied? Three A. If X is covered by Y, that means X is less than X is related to Y, then X must be lower than Y. Here 3A not satisfied. 3A is not satisfied. If we take same here, sorry, D, here B, here A is related to D, okay, B is related to D. If we take here, A is related to C, B is related to third B, not satisfied. Here, third B, B intersect to A and on the line in the A and D, B intersect A and D. So this is not Pochette diagram. This is also not Pochette diagram. This is a Pochette diagram for this set. Okay. Now A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like this. Here, A is related to G. A is related to G. A is related to B. B is related to D. And D is related by transitive property. A is related to G. Here also E parallel to F. That means E and F not comparable. Here E is related to G. E is related to G. But G is not related to D. D is related to G. Here E is related to G. D is related to G. Okay. Transitive property not apply here. Then so E is not related to F. E is not related to F. So this can be written E is parallel to F. E is parallel to F. Now if we take chain like this element related to, and in this chain, every two elements are comparable. Every two elements. If we take this element and this element, comparable by transitive property. This is infinite chain. If you take another diagram like this, like this, continue. This is infinite order set. Infinite order set, but not a chain. But not a chain, because these two elements not comparable. See here, suppose here A, B, C like this. Here A is related to B, C is related to B, but A and C not related to each other. So here A and C not comparable. In chain, every two elements are comparable. Every two elements are comparable. Now see here, next example. Possible order set. Possible set of three elements. Possible order set of three elements. First, here, three element chain. It is a chain and it is denoted by 3. A, B, C. A is related to B, B is related to C, A also related to C by transitive property. If you take like this, A, B, C. A is related to C, B is related to C. A and B not comparable. This is not a chain. Another way, like this. Here A, B, C. A is related to B, A is related to C. It is also not a chain, but order set. A, B and C. Here only A and B related. A is related to B only. C is isolated. And first, second, third, fourth, and this is 3 elements are isolated. No any 2 elements are comparable. It is anti-chain and it is denoted by 3 bar. It is denoted by 3 bar. If we take chain 2, 2 means only this 2 elements chain. If write 2, 2 means chain of 2 elements. Chain of 2 elements. Okay. Now 4, chain of 4 elements like this. Chain of 4 elements. Okay. This is anti-chain. 3 bar means 3 isolated elements. 3 isolated elements. Now next here, next example, X is equal to A, B, C. Okay. P of X contains phi, singleton A, singleton B, all subsets of ABC, singleton C, AB, AC, BC and ABC. That means X. 3 elements, 2 cube, that means 8 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 elements. Okay. Now, here relation is inclusive relation, subsets. Here, phi. Now, covering the phi is covered by singleton A, similarly covered by B, covered by C. So right here, A, B, C. Okay. Now, A is covered by AB. A is covered by AB. Also, this covers B also, singleton B. See here AC. B and here BC. C is covered by BC, also singleton B is covered by BC. Also A is like this. Okay. Now this is X. X means A, B, C. Here AB is a subset of this set, also covered by like this cube. This diagram is a cube for P of X, where X is contain 3 elements. This diagram also draw this way. See here phi. Phi is related to these 3 elements. That means A, B, C. Here AB, AC, BC. Okay. B is related to this. C is related to like this. And last, this X is related to both diagrams are same. Both diagrams are same. Now, in covering relation, if P is a finite, if P is a finite and X is related to y and x related to y if and only if there exists sequence of covering relation, there exists finite sequence of covering relation such that here x is equal to x0. So it is covered by x1, it is covered by x2 and so on like this. Covered by xn and xn is equal to 1. When it is possible, if p is a finite. And p is finite, x related to y, if and only if there exists a finite sequence of covering relation such that this covering relations exist. X is equal to x0 and so on like this. This is important for next theory part. This is important for next theory part. Now we stop here. Okay. Thank you.